Today's train will take us from North Reading Outer Station to Jim Thorpe, with a station stop at Port Clinton, a total distance of 60 miles. Our first highway grade crossing on the route is found in the small village of Cross Keys.
Look out to the right. You see that pathway coming up there? The green, that's the old Pennsylvania Railroad. It's going to be alongside of us most of the way up here. Today, it is the path to the John Bartram Trail.
And they're really expanding that route.
Damn breast right there. Okay, look for the Kernsville Dam here on the right, coming up. Right here. No generating station. That was part of the coal cleanup effort. You know, the Schuylkill River was black when I was a kid. And they put a lot of these dams in to collect the silt.
As we will pause only long enough to board those passengers, we ask that no one get off the train during this stop with the exception of designated train crew members. Port Clinton, home to the Port Clinton Hotel, served as a stagecoach stop between Sunbury and Philadelphia in the early 1800s. The Port Clinton Hotel was a great social center where news from other states and even foreign countries was exchanged. In fact, it became customary when signing the hotel register to add any news that one thought might be of common interest. The Schuylkill Canal was an important transportation link. The last boat to leave Port Clinton's once crowded basin was the Mary Rose, which took a load of coal to the state sanatorium at Hamburg just before the outbreak of World War II in 1939. The railroad became the dominant form of transportation in Port Clinton from the mid-1800s on. Port Clinton is located 78 miles north of Philadelphia on the former Reading Company main line. Today, Port Clinton is an important crossroads on Route 61. On our right now is the Little Schuylkill River. We will cross over the Little Schuylkill numerous times along our route.
Now, when we crossed that bridge, we also crossed into Schuylkill County. A lot of people don't realize this, but all Port Clinton over there is in Schuylkill County, but our headquarters is in Berks County. And you can't get to it by road anyway except going through Schuylkill County.
You'll also notice on your left one of several Christmas tree farms that cover the rolling hills of this area. As a matter of fact, this area is one of the largest suppliers of Christmas trees on the East Coast. Once again, folks, all doors and windows on the train should be closed and no one should be moving between cars at this time as we're approaching the Tamaqua Tunnel, which was bored through the mountain in 1854. As you might guess, we will cross the Little Schuylkill River on both sides of the tunnel.
For the ghost train at Geotrax.
It's the ghost train. Oh yeah. We went through a lot of these in Switzerland. Oh yeah.
Hello there.
I shouldn't either, but I tell my son.